Stay southwest.
I'm gonna go scout. I'm gonna go scout.
Yes, Ray.
I'm gonna go
Scout.
scout.
I need... Oh, fuck. Wait.
Live curse E, ready.
Hindi na-spam ng
Ba't
heals
namatay
yung
yung
mga
dalawang
tao sa
healer?
They're going southwest. They're gonna bong southwest.
Yeah, everyone one top. Go southwest.
Sabong. What the fuck is that?
Laging daw sa Evergreen.
63% gate.
Copy. Come here, guys. This deck. Okay, wait. This fake.
11%. Oh, imagine that.
Copy. Engage me 3, 2, 1. No. Everyone. Good shit. Come back fast. Come fast. Yeah, bro. It's outside. Come back. Yeah.
Walking in southeast.
Copy. Over the wall. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Delete, please.
Okay na.
Loot, guys.
Ah,
Come back.
ready now.
Another
Come second
block
floor.
sa northeast side.
Come back.
I think
Let's
tayo.
go.
Oo, kulong tayo.
Second floor, everyone. Second floor.
Agila go.
80% check yung second.
Ito rin.
Agila
Sabong
coming.
okay.
Everyone push, Agila.
Bumaba pa sila.
Oh, yeah, need help.
Yeah. Everyone push. There's a heavy mace. Yeah. Wait. Hold. Everyone hold. Just hold, okay?
Iter,
Yes,
kaya
sir.
mo tayo wipe yung sabong sa one top.
Agila may bomb na longbow. In B.
Oh
Longbow
my
in B.
Please kayo mo mag-depo.
Sinasandwich
Di pa nga ako nakakadating.
Okay na sa southwest.
Sabi mo ano?
Kaya mo
Okay,
tabilisan yung yung
Wait, just
sabong.
hold.
Dito na yung na.
Agila looking southeast. Agila looking southeast.
Everyone northeast now. Boots. Northeast ready. Boots ready. Over the wall. 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Over the wall. Good shit. Come back fast. Okay? Come back fast. Help front. Come back fast. That's it. That's all. Tell me CD.
Live curse 5
Kill
seconds.
me, please.
Ready again.
Over the wall ready. 5,
Ready.
4, 3, 2. Over the wall. Delete please. Come back fast. Come back fast.
Kill the...
Nice.
Ready.
Yeah, 4% southwest gate.
Sabong
Southwest
second
gate
floor,
broken.
asa.
Okay.
Southwest, basag na.
broken.
Level
Okay.
2 na. Level 2 Agila. Nandito na i-regan nila.
Bumaba sila.
Yung to ng 37.
Everyone come northeast. Everyone come northeast.
37, 38.
Yeah,
Copy.
southwest northwest red.
Southwest basag na.
Just hold. Over the wall ready. 5, 4. Wait. Come back. Wait. Hold.
Lilikuran ng yugto yung agila.
Tara na tayo ha.
I'm gonna go scout.
Pulling out yung Agila.
Yeah,
Copy.
they don't wanna get
Okay.
They're
Ito
outside.
coming
Agila,
in.
second
Ito
floor
coming in from northwest.
Agila,
Ito coming in northwest.
Yeah, come back. Everyone come back.
Pulling out Bisdak.
We need
Ano
to
daw,
push one
southwest?
side.
Southwest, pushing sila.
Care southwest. Don't pick.
They looking.
Agila.
Okay. Yeah. Everyone, DPS go north. Fast. Go north. Over the wall. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2. Over the wall, please. Delete this. Came back. Yes. Good. Come back fast. Okay. Come back fast.
Southeast gate.
I need more healer, please.
5
Healer,
seconds.
please. I need healers.
Agila
I have 2 only healers. Oh my god. Everyone come to northeast.
5
Come to
seconds.
northeast, everyone.
17%
Come to notice.
gate
You
southwest.
ready? Live curse.
May makapasok.
Engage with me. Over the wall. 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Delete, please. Good. Come back fast. Nintendo. Careful, Nintendo.
Sabong
Bakas.
bongking.
Yo, help Nintendo. Yeah.
Longbow.
Abang looking.
Bonking southwest.
Iter bongking.
Everyone, not in the Lord room. Yeah. Oh,
You have
fucking
time.
hell.
It's 80%. It's
Yeah,
80%.
just hold. Okay.
Ready.
Southeast, basag na rin.
Just hold.
Alright.
Everyone go. DPS, only DPS north, okay? Okay, just hold. Okay. I need D-Tank watching Beast Deck. Beast Deck? What
I
the heck?
think focus ka sa Agila, kaya natin i-recap to sa sabong.
Copy. Just hold.
Pushing southwest.
May silip lang si one hit.
Bonking northeast.
It's okay.
Takot pumasok.
Wala DA Agila. Libong kayo natin.
Over the walls task.
Yeah,
Iter,
just
kaya
hold.
ko i-bedrock to yung sabong.
Everyone
pumasok.
come. Everyone come. Over the wall, okay? Ready, over the wall, ready.
Oh, no.
Over the wall, ready.
Come over, come around.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. Over the wall now. Come back fast, okay? Come back fast.
Ready pa
Devil us. Come back fast. Okay, ready. CD. Go north. They're looking on me. Heal. Engage me. 3,
Ready.
2, 1. No. Please delete. Good. Come back.
Takot tong sabong. Ako lang nagbabantay dito.
Nice.
Oh,
Onit na lang.
brother.
Oh my god.
I literally almost killed them, only Qs.
5 seconds per
Southwest is far. Yo, Cornelius, stay southwest.
I give you again. I give you again.
Come here over the wall north.
Ready.
You ready? Southwest.
Sila bonking pa rin dito
Engage on Maple. Engage on Maple. Ready. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maple. Maple. North. They're looking now. Help front. Copy.
Engage
Keep
mo.
feeling.
Ay, hindi, wag na.
Nag-wall engage. Walang
Ready.
damage.
Maple. I said Maple, guys.
Over the wall. North, kaya mo.
Okay.
Over the wall,
Everyone. Over the wall northeast. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Over the wall northeast.
Tisoy
Come back
bongking. Tisoy bongking.
fast. Come fast.
Blob south. Another blob south.
It's okay.
Tanker blob yan.
They're walking northeast. They're walking on that northeast.
Okay, just hold.
Northeast 51%.
Yo, help Nintendo. Yo, come back. Engage me ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. TPS ang bagal.
Bonking Northeast Agila.
Okay.
40% southwest.
Push mo tong
Copy.
southwest. Kaya mo. Isang engage
Bro,
lang.
these guys are pussies.
Dito na yung order ng Agila.
Everyone push west.
Okay.
Ay, wait.
Pasukin mo muna.
Wait, come back.
Pasukin mo muna.
Come back northeast. Look northeast. Ready. Push. Boots now. Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boots. No. Boots. Damage, please. Damage. Come back fast.
May bongking nga.
How many seconds? How many?
Bongking west. Mababasag na tong west.
Yeah,
Okay, hold.
20% southwest.
Over the wall. Northeast. Ready. CD.
Long.
3 seconds. Ready.
May second perm ako. Sige.
You ready?
On me. Over the wall. 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Over the wall. Damage. DPS, wake up. Hello.
Peter, basag na yung west.
20 seconds.
Basag na yung west.
Ready.
Come west, everyone. Come west. Push west. Trust me. Push west. Push. Engage me. Ready. Engage me. 3. Bats. Oh my god, boys. Engage me. 3, 2, 1. No. Delete, please. Damage. Oh my god, DPS. What happened to you guys? Loot.
Dito na Agila northeast.
Okay, just hold. Everyone north,
Engaging.
east, everyone east. Click east. Trust me, click east.
Yung Banzai.
Isa natin, come back. Everyone, come back west. Oh my god.
Triple sandwich.
Oh my god,
Triple
come back
West. Peter, kayo mo
Mount up. Every time mount up. Everyone west. Keep walking west, boys. Keep walking west. Mount up. If you can mount up. If you can mount up, boys. Can mount up. Oh my god. What happened to you guys?
Tatlong guild.
Wala akong defensive.
Look,
Ay,
Yo, west.
Nag-defensive
Iter.
Carnage.
Wake up.
Naka-focus kami sa Northeast.
Oh, may nang... Ben?
Right.
Tatlong kalaban po. Kailangan.
Yung bisda ko, what mo yan po? Tangin ang bisda ko.
Likodan mo tong ano.
Wala na akong DPS.
Umalis.
5 pa DPS mo dito kaso hindi na kaya. Wala kang diva.
Dami natin napatay. Pero ang dami pa rin nila.
Nandito daw ulit yung maldito. Andito rin. Taasan ng DA nila.
Oh, may nung ano? Ba't ganun sila? 1v1
How many
lang.
alive in party 1?
Level 18 na yung Agila.
Yung sabong, i-wipe natin yan po. Tangin.
Kaya natin yung sabong.
Kaya nga, kaso may agila nga eh.
Baka ma-sandwich na naman tayo katulad kahapon.
Buti na, bidra ko yung
Wala
holder ng
akong
Agila pag
defensive nung-
nag-engage.
Your supports are
Shield
lacking
ka.
in this fight.
Party mo doon sa
Real.
likod.
We are not getting Judies and fucking Growth on
No
the
Judy, no Guardro, no everything on the fucking choke.
Okay,
I
wala palawin
was
siya.
only demon, bro. It's like he got demon, and even then I got to like 20% HP. That's crazy. You need to support, man. Press your button.
Sakit yung sakit yung demon nila, hater. Namumulado ako sa demon.
Agila?
Oo, namumulado ako sa demon.
May shortcut pala dito, di ko alam.
Unrolled.
Ilang dami na kalaban. Ilang guild yung kalaban natin kanina?
Pangatlo yung dumating sa spot.
Oh, nag-ask sila if